Suspect accused in a double murder is out walking the streets tonight after what appears to be a major mistake made by the Commonwealth attorneys. Moments in court were so tense that the judge even walked out of the courtroom at one point. Today, Wave News anchor Brian Schlonsky talked with a criminal defense attorney who says a suspect like this being released is a, quote, one-percenter.
April 2022, bullet holes, police lights, and crime tape outside Hoops Grill and Sports Bar on Strawberry Lane. It was a gruesome double murder, 2 people shot to death in the parking lot. A year later, David Morales is arrested. He'd spend the next 2 years sitting in jail. Fast forward to this May, a second man, Isaac Castellanos, is also arrested. A trial with the 2 men as co-defendants seems imminent. Then, this week, a major blow-up in court over a recorded interview with Castellanos. The Commonwealth attorneys didn't turn over the evidence for 17 days. The judge, astonished, walks out of the courtroom.
You didn't think you needed to turn over a recorded statement of a co-defendant?
Prior to the trial?
Yeah, prior to the trial.
Prior to the trial, David Morales, no.
You did not think the Commonwealth had a duty to turn over a recorded statement of a co-defendant?
No.
I need a minute.
Over and over, Judge Julie Kalin hammers the table of Commonwealth attorneys. Did they have any good reason for not turning over that recorded statement until the last minute?
I don't see how you can sit here honestly with a straight face and say that you didn't think that co-defendant recorded statement needed to be turned over until the day before trial.
My impression was that's so outstanding and so rare that the judge was riled up and had probably never seen anything like that.
Leland Holbert is a criminal defense attorney. He says witness statements are the gold standard, and he can't see how the Commonwealth could let this happen.
For them to say something like that, they didn't know it needed to be turned over, that's ridiculous.
Perhaps even more incredible, Morales, the man who was deemed such a danger that he sat in jail for 2 years with charges related to a double murder, is now out. Judge Kalin dismissing the charges and ordering him freed over the Commonwealth's error. I went to his listed address today, but no one answered the door. Holbert says the judge dismissing charges and freeing Morales is an enormous step that you almost never see.
But what it tells me is this is the one-percenter, because you wouldn't dismiss charges without a trial.
Now, Morales could still go to trial eventually, with a hearing scheduled this July to determine if the charges will be dismissed with or without prejudice.